Hey, how you doing? I'm Clay Hamilton with Cody Pools, Commercial Division. We got probably 25 kids or so. It's exciting to see that kids are getting interested in this. This field is has the older generation running it. It's good to see that the younger ones are coming in.
Hi, I'm Gracie, and I'm here with the Construction Science Department from Texas A&M, and we're here visiting the job site of Cody Pools. We've seen 2 different pools, and we're learning all about the rebar, the things that go in it, and we're seeing it being gunnited right now.
My name is Austin Marcotte. I've learned that there's a lot more that goes into pools than just laying concrete and filling it up with water. The plumbing's insane in these things. The concrete cost is insane. Trying to figure out how much rebar to use to withstand 50,000 pounds of pressure is it's incredible. I've always loved pools, and this is it's really cool to see one getting built.
Craig Johnson. Through the Texas A&M Construction Science Department, we partner up with a lot of our CIAC members, Cody Pools being one of those. And so we have about 300 students that are out and about today on different field trips looking at different construction projects. So we're really excited to be out here in the Austin area today with Cody Pools, looking at commercial construction of pools so that we can get our students exposed to, 1, what the job site's like, and 2, it's a good opportunity for them to see specialty contractors, because not every one of our students is going to go to work for a commercial general contractor. So it's good for them to see the different opportunities and what's available for them once they get out of school.